Hello everyone and welcome to Tomatillo Island. My name is Jenny and today is Saturday and there's actually the fishing tourney going on, which I completely forgot about it. And I think it ends pretty much in like 15 minutes. So I gotta hurry up and do that. Hopefully I can get at least one round in. So I'm not gonna waste any more time and head there because yeah, time is ticking. So let's see here. Oh, look, she's already fishing. All right, let's go. Okay, there he is. Let's go talk to him. Let me see. I do have a little bit of pocket space, even though I think it goes directly to him, but we'll see. All right, let's see here. I know. I'm late. I have like 15 minutes left. Come on, buddy. Oh, he loves to talk. Okay, sign me up. So 5 minutes to catch at least 3 fish. Okay. Did it start already? Okay. Let me go in. Look for some fishies. Let's see here. Ooh, there's one over here. Oh no! All right, yeah. Great beginning here. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's see here. What else can I find? Oh, here's another one. I got too excited on the first one. Let's see. There we go. All right, there's one. Let's see if I can catch 2 more. There's nothing on this end. No. Come on, fishies. Where are you hiding? Oh, here's another one. I mean, at least catch 3. Okay. Okay, I have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Oh, here's another one. Oh, look, there's Marshall. Is it coming? I can't see because of the tree. Oh, there we go. There. Okay. At least I catch 3. Let's see if I can catch 1 more, 2 more, depending. Oh, here's another one. Oh, look, there's Sasha. Nope, not on this end, I guess. Let's try over here. Sorry, Sasha. He's not even paying attention. Ooh. Okay, 50 seconds. Let's see. No, I'm stuck. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's Winnie. There. Wonder if I have time to catch another one. Let's see. Oh no, it's on the other side. Let's see here. 26 seconds. Okay, let's see if I can catch this one. Yeah. No! Oh, okay. Well, at least I managed to catch 5. Because, yeah, I don't see any more fishes anywhere. Okay. Oh, did I get something here? Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay. That works. Change my outfit. Oh, there's another one. Let's see here. Oh. I don't know if this is the first one, but hey, this is the first one I'm doing. Can't remember if I missed the other ones. Who knows? But mind you, Isabel said it was the first one, so I don't know. But I think, did I miss the bug off? I think I did. I can't even remember. Okay, well, at least I managed to catch 5, which is great. Oops. Let me go back to... Ooh. Every time I see these, I'm like, I just gotta pick it up. All right, let's go talk to this guy over here and see what he says. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell him. Splash at 7 points. I don't think I've ever gotten something with the points though. Okay, you know what? Maybe, what time is it? Okay, I have time for another round here. So, oh, that's it? No, I should be able to play more. Let's see here. Sure. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Very cool. Even they charge you. But it's okay, because he just gave me money. So it's all good. Okay, here we go. Let me grab this. Let's go. Run. Okay, let's see if I can find anything in the ocean now. Nothing here. Ugh. Seriously? This balloon. Oh, here's a little weenie. Teeny weeny one. There we go. Oh, is this... Do I have this one? Okay, I may not sell that one. I don't think I have that one yet. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back, present. Stay there. Don't move. Alright, let's see. Oh, maybe I gotta go on the other side. I don't see any fishes around here. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Turn. Oh, here we go. Hurry up, fishy. There we go. Okay. I think I have time to catch another one. If I can see one on this side. Somewhere. Here's one. Come on, it was right next to you, buddy. There. I don't know. 50 seconds. Let's see. Oh, here's another one. Don't go. There we go. Okay, let's see if I have time to catch one last one. I can manage to find one somewhere. Oh, here's one, here's one. Oh, but Marshall's there. Sorry, Marshall. He's just staring at me like, what are you doing? This is my fishing spot. Sorry. Okay, I'm done. Sorry, Marshall. He's like staring at me like, what are you doing in my spot? Get out of here. All right, let's go talk to this girl. Okay, first things first, let me see here. Because I think I haven't donated the clownfish. I'm going to keep that one. Take. And then the rest I can sell. I'm going to sell everything. Can you get anything for 14 points? I don't know. But it's kind of cutting it short, I think. I mean, yes and no. I still got time for like another 3-minute round, but it's okay. Okay, I did see a fossil around here on the other side, so let me go get that. At least, you know, I managed to sneak in a little tourney, fishing tourney. Let's see here. Should have emptied my pockets. I think I saw another one around here. Look at Sasha. He's like fully concentrated. Let's see what he says. Yeah. They're like, no, I'm busy right now. Don't talk to me. They're all busy. Look, even Winnie was on this side, I think. There she is. I'm going to be... Yeah, she wants to take a picture with the little fishies. All right, you do your thing. Okay, I did see other... What's it called? Did I see another fossil somewhere? Oh, well. Ooh. Bang's inside. Let's see if he's building something or making something. Oh, no. He's just chilling. Let's talk. Okay. He's like, I'm not doing fishing tourneys. Maybe he was doing it earlier. I'm like, I'm last minute today. And then luckily I remembered because I almost forgot. And my miles are also increasing, which is great. Okay, so I saw Marshall, Bruce. I haven't seen Bruce, I think. Maybe he was fishing somewhere, I don't know. Let's see here. I don't see any fossils around here. Nope. Okay, well, maybe it was around here somewhere, but mind you, I did take the pipe. But since I'm here, I'm gonna go empty my pockets. Ooh, and grab those bells. Let's see here. Oh, and since I'm here, you know what? I'm gonna change my outfit too so I can get the miles, which is great. Let's see here. Let me put this into my inventory. And this. And what else do I have here? Green fossils. Oh yes, I forgot to mention that. Yes, yesterday I finally donated the last fossil that I needed. So that's great. I don't have to worry about those ones. Just I'm still gonna have to go and, you know, tell him to assess them so I can sell them and get some more bells, but at least I know it's completed. All right, I gotta go upstairs because I put the dresser in the room now. So in my still empty room, which I don't even know. I gotta check actually. Since I'm here, I'm gonna check if there's actually something. A bed or something. Okay, let's see here. What to wear? You know what? Let's just go with the red sweater. Not make things complicated. I don't know. No. Do I have any other color hats? Let's see here. Okay, I'll just leave it like this, I guess. Okay, let's see here if I have any badge or something in the same... Look, I have 2 of these, but they don't match the stuff that I have. I think that's it. I don't really have anything else. So yeah, I'm gonna forget about that for now. Also have to go to Timmy and Tommy and see what they're selling, if they're selling anything that could be useful. Because there's still some stuff that I haven't found in recipes or that I want to put that I still haven't found, like shaking trees or anything. So, okay, let me go. Oh, here's the other fossil. I'm gonna be missing 2 more or 3 more, because I think there was already 1 in my pockets, but oh well, we'll see. All right, let's grab these bells. Oh look, Shino, and I still don't know if it's Ione, Ion, I have no idea, but they're both there. Oh no, I don't want that. All right, let's see here. Oh, here's another one. I haven't seen Vivian, so maybe she's DIYing or cooking. Or Dottie for that matter. But maybe they're somewhere else. All right, let's see here. Okay, there's Bruce. I just saw his behind there. His little tail. There he is. Okay, so here's Sly and Bruce, both fishing. And Vivian. Okay. So they're all here. Let's see. Okay. Well, maybe she's doing something. No. She's cleaning. Alright, so no then. Maybe nobody's doing anything today because of the tournament. Or maybe after. Well, it's 6 o'clock, so it's pretty much done. So let's see. Now that it's 6, let's see if they're still fishing. Oh, they're done. Look at them. They're like, yeah, we're done. Oh no, Bruce is still going. Sly is still going. Oh, okay. I thought they were gonna be like, well, it's 6 o'clock. We're clocking in the fishing tourney. Well, let's head home. Let's go do something else. Oh wait, is that the bottle? Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's see what I got here. Golden. I think I have this one. Oh no, I didn't. Oops. Oh, perfect. Okay. I thought it was a repeat, but no. All right, let's see here. First, let me go assess these fossils, even though I don't need them anymore, just to get some bells. What was that? Oh, I forgot about the gift. Hold on. Let's see here. Ooh, bells! Perfect. Ah, boo. Not a problem. I'm gonna have to go pay off a little bit of my house loan now that I have a little bit of extra bells. So that's good. But let's see. I don't have to jump scare him. Let's see here. These posters. What do the posters look like? Let me see. Is it the posters for the fossil? To buy a frame. Oh, no. No thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Okay, do this. I know. Right now they're gonna be all repeats. I just need them to get extra bells. Never mind. Adios. Alright. Now let me head to the shop and see what's for sale. Hopefully there's something good in there. Timmy and Tommy, here you go. Give me some bells, please. Oh, I forgot to donate the fish. Darn it. Because I don't want to accidentally sell it. Mind you, I would probably catch it again, but might as well, because then you're like, oh, I'm pretty sure I donated already. No. Nothing. Okay, well. Let's see here. What else can I do from here? What's this? Red snapper. Tiger beetle. Okay, let me head to resident services and pay off a little bit of my house loan. And then I'm gonna see what else I can get up to. Because right now I still haven't gotten anything really that I can say, hey, I can decorate. Let's see here. What is in? Oh, mall. Sure, give me some bells. Sell. So the next fishing tourney is going to be in July. Okay. It's in a couple of months. Okay. All right, let's see here. First, let's do this. Okay, so let's see here. Let's do 50. And I think after that, I'm going to be... yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do 50 or 60. You know what? Let's just do 60. There we go. It works. It's going down. All right, let's see if there's anything here I need to order. No, I don't think I have this one. Yeah. Alright, let's do no. And let me see if there's anything good for sale. I already have this, I have that. Bulldozer. You know what? Maybe I have space to put a bulldozer somewhere. I don't know. You know what? Let's order it. See if I can find space for it. If not, I can always sell it, or I don't know. Leave it in my inventory. All right. So I'm gonna see now. I mean, this is over, so technically my villagers shouldn't be all fishing right now. But I mean, look, Winnie's gone. She was here. Marshall, let's see what he's doing. Is he still fishing? Still fishing, but he's not wearing his little tourney hat anymore. Aww. Yeah, I stole your fish earlier. I'm sorry. Okay. Where did Winnie go? Oh, she went inside her house. Let's see. I gotta complete this thing. It's annoying. You know what? When I exit her house, I'm gonna finish it. Because it's kind of annoying me right now. There she is. Come here. That's the latest. It's in my brick aventre fabuloso. He's like, I slapped out a stack of pancakes the other day. Whipped cream, fruit syrup, peanut butter, that works. Wow. Almost half of them were burned too badly. Okay. You go, girl. Oh, you know what? Let me see. Let me open this. Oh, no. No, I have it. Oh, okay. Bye. All right, let me finish this. This is annoying. Let me do this. Start construction. There we go. This thing's annoying me. All right, let's see here. There we go. And very, very annoying. All right. All right. Let's see here. So I grabbed the thing. Okay, now I think I just have to do my dailies. Just because, like I said, I still don't have a lot of items to kind of decorate with. Let me take this off. Let me just take a quick peek here. And I think that's gonna be, let's see here. This is more food, pumpkin scone, apple smoothie. Yeah, all right. So this is gonna be a little short video. Just because, like I said, I'm still waiting to find some items to kind of decorate my island with or get more DIYs. Right now, I'm just going to concentrate in doing my dailies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you next time. Bye.